Guys, this is my smoke alarm that came today, and I'm trying to figure out a place that I can put my camera where you can still see it. Well, actually, the box is already half open, so I guess if I'll just pull the duct tape, or not the duct tape, but whatever, that tape right there. Let me see. I'm knocking everything over on the desk. And on this side. Okay, now here we go. Okay. Oh wait, there's still some tape. Dang it. And there's a lot of newspaper. Just knocked over my couple pens. Okay. Somewhere in here, right here, wrapped up in a thing of newspaper. I shall open up the newspaper and in bubble wrap. Yeah. I love popping the bubble wrap. Okay. And there it is. Honeywell CD200A. Whoops, I almost dropped it. Let's go down here and open up the box and see what we have. And wow, look at that. Never even been opened. Still in the original plastic packaging material. It says, to open, then tab down. Tear end to end. Kind of. So that opens it up. And here comes the detector. Oh, no. There it is. Okay. And here's the manual. And there's the mounting hardware right there. And then there's the battery. It's a Duracell, Mallory Duracell. So, yeah. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. So, there's where the battery would go. And there's the horn. Here's the test button, and then here's a sensitivity adjustment knob. I don't really know how that works. Oh well, I'll figure it out. Well, okay, this is part 1. The next video is going to be a more detailed part 2. So, there you go.